All right, I'm going to do a quick recap here for Wednesday, June 7th, just on the scalp chart. So here we're at market open. We're printing some 3-minute resistance levels, kind of bounced around a little bit. I stayed out of all of this. But first trade would have been right here when we came back down to this level of support after we trended upwards and tested that level. That level was 12, 493 or so, and to the tick basically went against it maybe 2 points before just launching to the upside. Got up here to 12,706, and that was 493. So just some crazy move off of that level. I'd just be looking for 20 points or so. But potentially a good setup to look for more, especially you see a nice uptrend to start the morning, let it pull back to that level and launch further. So good trade there. Plenty of opportunity to take at least 20 points. Next trade would have been right here on this first blue bar. After the kind of consolidation of the white bars. So buy signal there at 590, and that got up to 623 within that 3-minute bar. Went against maybe 7 or 8 points, so not much there. Really strong uptrend this morning. So good trade there. Next trade would be there. This is another trade right here when it comes back down to test this level, given the context of the morning and how we had a good trend here, came back tested, another good trend here that just really ripped higher. Probably should be less inclined to take this trade, or at least get kind of more of a scalp mentality and try and take it off pretty quickly once you see some green. So that level was about 650. It came down here against you a little bit more than 15 points. To the high of this bar. It was 673, so it gave you your 20 points still. Just kind of would probably be more inclined to just maybe take 15 points or so off of this level. So another great trade there. So that's 3 winners using this chart. I don't take tests of the 15-minute level, but look at that test right there at 561. Just stopped right at it and launched upwards. I would have definitely taken this trade though, given the fact that we started printing this for quite a while and that level hadn't been tested. First test of it, that's 622, goes against you just a couple points, falls down all the way to about 585. So another great trade there. So that's about noon Eastern, and so I'd be done trading there. So this was a great morning. June 7th, nice trade here, another nice little test there, and then a test here off that level. So yeah, overall great morning on the scalp chart.